As the wine gracefully pours from the bottle to the glass, we witness a moment that transcends mere action. It's an echo of centuries of artistic tradition. The simple act of pouring a glass of wine, captured in this painting, embodies the essence of refinement and ritual that has been a beloved subject in fine art across different eras and cultures. The depiction of wine in art is as old as civilization itself. From the ancient frescoes of Pompeii to the lavish still lifes of the Dutch Golden Age, artists have long been fascinated by the symbolism and sensory richness that wine brings to the canvas. Wine, with its deep reds and shimmering reflections, has often been used to evoke the themes of abundance, celebration, and the pleasures of life. In the Impressionist era, artists like Edouard Manet and Pierre-Auguste Renoir embraced the beauty of everyday moments, including those involving wine. One notable example is Renoir's luncheon of the boating party. Here, a group of friends enjoy a leisurely meal by the Seine, with wine glasses and bottles prominently displayed. Though the scene captures a social gathering, the attention to the play of light on glass and liquid is a hallmark of Impressionism, where the focus is on the fleeting effects of light and color. As the glass fills, the wine's deep color contrasts beautifully against the clear crystal, creating a visual harmony that is both striking and serene. It is a moment frozen in time, yet it carries the weight of centuries of artistic exploration. In this painting, the wine glass becomes a focal point of light and color, a play of transparency and opacity. The rich crimson fluid flows smoothly, filling the glass with a sense of anticipation and quiet luxury. This moment, though seemingly simple, is layered with meaning. The act of pouring wine has often been associated with hospitality, an invitation to share something intimate and profound. It speaks of connection, time taken to savor the finer things in life, and the delicate balance between excess and restraint. Moreover, the symbolism of wine itself has been richly varied in art. In religious paintings, wine has been used to represent the sacred, the divine. In secular works, it often symbolizes pleasure, indulgence, and the ephemerality of life. In still lifes, wine can be a memento mori, a reminder of the fleeting nature of existence, a moment frozen in time, where the half-empty glass signifies the passage of time. As we reach the final drops of this painting, let's toast to some fun facts about red wine. The world's oldest unopened bottle of wine dates back to 325 AD. It was found in a Roman tomb in Germany and is still sealed today. Here's a quirky tidbit. There's a whole category of wine known as orange wine. It's not made of oranges. Instead, it's white wine, made with the grape's skins, left on during fermentation, giving it an orange hue and flavor that's out of the ordinary. Lastly, swirling the wine glass releases its aromas, making each sip a more intense experience. So, as we wrap up this study in glass and liquid, cheers to art, wine, and to finding joy in the simple pleasures of life.